Hello, this is Kiran from Patil Kulkarni Farms. Let's harvest some of the kharboos, the muskmelon. The season is almost about to end. But आज एकदम मस्त हवा है. It's beautiful. It's going to rain anytime. So let's do something yummy today. ते शास्त्र असतं की जेव्हा पाऊस पडणार असेल तर परिमल काय म्हणतो रे तू?
ज्या ज्या गोष्टीत उडी मारू शकतात तेलात त्यांना उडी मारव द्यायच्या. म्हणजे भजी हे काय
हे कशाची पानं आहेत ओळखा बरं. टेल मी व्हॉट दीज लीव्स आर. वी आर गोइंग टू मेक सम यमी डिश आउट ऑफ दिस. Yes, you guessed it right. These are nothing but the ajwain leaves. You can see the plant, how big it is. Very easy to grow. Ajwain leaves is something that we call ovachi pana, but it is not ajwain. Okay, so do not get mistaken. It's only because of the fragrance of ajwain we call this ajwain leaves. I'm going to take some of more of these. So yeah, ovachi pana, actually this is nothing but the Mexican or Cuban oregano. So normal oregano जे आहे ते हे असं असतं.
दाखव.
This is the other oregano. असं वाटतं की पिझ्झाच खातोय. And this is nothing but the Mexican Cuban oregano. So the leaf is a little spongy. That's quite huge. It's an herb. Lot of medicinal problems like cough, cold, everything needs this. But today we are going to cook something nice because it's going to rain. Come over, we'll take something more. This is a pepper plant. Let's harvest some of the peppers. I'm going to take the red pepper. Now look at the size of the red pepper.
Oh, हे आपला मिरची सेट प्लांट का?
Mirchi set plant. Yes. Okay, let's go. So this is nothing but the yellow pepper. Let's harvest the yellow pepper. So we have a red pepper, yellow pepper, some of the ajwain leaves, ovachi pana. चला guess करू शकता मी काय बनवणार आहे? Let's go. Let's take some chilies. There's no even space for me to put my feet into. I hate doing this. Okay, let's take 3 of them. Let's go.
का झालं आवडे?
आवडी ओरडतीये.
हा पहा. हाय हिरो.
रोमियो बाहेर नाही ना गेला म्हणून ओरडतीये का ती?
रोमियो दिसला नाही की आला रोमियो.
Okay, come over here. Whenever we are in the garden, all of them come around. They just want to eat whatever we make. So this is nothing but the Malabar spinach. So when we do not have the normal spinach, this is equally good. So I'm going to take some of the leaves of the Malabar spinach as well. It's so good. It's very easy to grow, by the way. I started this from the seed, but this is good. Now let's make something yummy. So we are going to use this, and that's going to give you a hint what we are going to make out of all of this thing. But how am I going to use all these veggies? The first thing is the green chilies. Let's make, where is it? Let's grind the chilies into our mortar. My favorite part. Yay! This is nothing but rava, semolina with some salt. I'm going to just mix this and going to chop the veggies and going to add to it. Just going to make some. Let's take the ajwain leaves. हे जे आपले ajwain leaves आहेत ते सगळे घेते. Of course the pakoras are the best, but try doing what I am. So this is a homesteading journey. What it means is that eat what's growing in your garden or plant what you want to eat. So this is what we have in the garden right now. I'm roughly chopping all the veggies. Okay, let's take the yellow pepper as well. Yeah, roughly get all these ready. Okay, some of the Malabar spinach as well. This has medicinal properties too. All nutritious veggies. I like to keep the veggie very simple. I don't put too many ingredients. Okay, all these roughly chopped veggies goes into the semolina, the grinded chili. This I'm going to add some of the yogurt. Let's add some water also to it. Ideally it needs to be soaked for half an hour, but because it is roasted semolina, I'm just going to use this as is. In Marathi we call this appe. So it can be made from various flours. You can also use the dosa batter. I am just going to use the semolina. Gluten free, if it's something that you need, you can use the gluten free flour as well, like ragi or any other. So the consistency should be like this, neither too thick nor too liquidy. आणि मग आपला ready आहे batter. So let's take oil. In that I'm just going to if you soak the semolina, it will become little more nice. People put lot of soda in such kind of recipes. I don't like using soda. It's okay if it is not very light. I'm absolutely fine, but I try to keep it as natural as possible. So maybe varti fulun yenar nahi, but I'm okay with that. I'm so sloppy with cooking. And then people will comment, your cooking is not very good.
I'm worried about taste, which is always good. आणि मलाही खायला मिळतं by the way.
Yes. The Vatavaran is so pretty and we are hungry to start eating. Yay!
भूक लागली आहे. वातावरण.
चला बघूया झालं. I've got this to turn it. Let's see. Hey, I don't know if this is going to work, but let's do it. Oh my goodness. Yes. Semolina tastes so good. It's the most yummiest thing. Look at that. This is chutney. Karalachi chutney. I don't know what is this called in English. If you know in Hindi or English, let me know. It's one of the yummiest chutney. My mom gave me this. Let's see if this is ready now. Look at the sizzling voice. I'm going to put the second batch because it is too hot. From the farm to the table, this unique recipe, appe. Let's dig in, okay? I wish there was some ghee, some clarified butter. I'm going to dip it in the chutney. Before that, let's open this and see how it looks inside, okay? Oh my goodness. All the veggies, the ajwain leaves, the Malabar spinach. Okay, let's give it to cameraman first.
Thank you.
Yes. It's too hot. It's too hot. Be careful. Today, let's take a bite together.
मस्त एकदम.
What an amazing, it's the flavors bursting in the mouth because it is completely organic. It has such lovely flavor.
मला जरा चटणी द्या.
One of the most healthiest meal you can eat is as a breakfast, lunch, dinner. And you saw how quickly we made this. To follow more on such recipes or details on how we are growing the veggies, follow us on Patil Kulkarni Farm Facebook. Okay? Until then, thanks for watching.
Thank you. Bye.